Hey, have you ever wondered what life actually looks like depending on how much money you make? Today, we're going to find out. From $15,000 a year all the way to $250,000 and beyond, every pay level tells a completely different story. It's not just about what you eat or drive, it's about how you sleep, how you feel, and what you worry about every single day. So let's meet our guy, an everyday American stickman, and follow him through every level of income in the United States. No judgment, no lectures, just the honest, sometimes tough, sometimes exciting truth about money and life. At the lowest pay levels, around $15,000 to $25,000 a year, our guy is working minimum wage jobs, restaurant work, retail, basic service roles. After taxes, he takes home maybe $1,200 a month. And when he sits down to figure out the bills, the math just doesn't work. He doesn't own a car. He waits for the bus every morning, rain, cold, or sun. It adds 2 hours to his day. Evenings are quiet, not because he wants them to be, but because there's not much money left for going out or doing much of anything. He opens his wallet and sees almost nothing inside. One emergency, a broken phone, a doctor visit, and everything falls apart. He stares at the ceiling at 2 a.m., not because of Netflix, but because rent is due next week, and he doesn't know how he'll cover it. Rent alone eats 50 to 60% of his income. In most U.S. cities, housing experts say rent should be no more than 30%. He's way past that. Grocery shopping is a strategy game. Generic brands only. He checks the price per ounce on everything. Treats feel like a luxury. But he's not defeated. Every evening he writes down a budget, trying to stretch every dollar as far as it will go. He's looking up. He sees the ladder. And even if it feels steep, he hasn't stopped climbing. Now, at $30,000 to $45,000 a year, the working class level, he's got a trade job. Construction, logistics, delivery, or a junior office role. He can now afford a proper meal at home every night. Nothing fancy, but it's real food, warm and filling. That matters more than people think. He rents a small apartment, or maybe a modest house in a lower-cost area. It's not perfect, but it's his space, and that feels huge. But bills still sting. A car payment, a phone plan, utilities, groceries. The paycheck disappears faster than it arrives. He's got a car now. Nothing shiny, but it runs. And honestly, that little car means freedom. No more waiting in the rain. He's got someone to share the couch with. Life with a partner or roommate helps split costs and makes the tight months feel a lot less lonely. He's trying to save. It's $50 here, $100 there. It's slow, but every coin in that piggy bank feels like a small victory. He's also learning on the side, taking online courses at night to level up his skills. He knows the only way out is to earn more. One medical bill hits, and suddenly the savings are gone. No sick days, no backup. The American health system is brutal at this income level. But he's thinking about the next move. Promotion, better company, new skill. He knows staying still isn't an option. Welcome to the middle class. $60,000 to $100,000 a year. He's got a real career now. A title on his badge, an office with his name on a list. He has a proper workspace. Laptop, coffee, a little plant on the desk. He feels like a professional. And he is. He buys a home. Or at least gets a mortgage on one. It's a big milestone. It's the American dream, and he's living a version of it. Date nights happen now. Real restaurants, not just fast food. He can order what he wants without doing math in his head. He takes a vacation, maybe once a year, a flight somewhere warm. He's never felt that excited holding a ticket before. He can invest in his kids' future. Books, school supplies, maybe even savings for college. That feels like legacy. He has time and money to care for his health, a gym membership, regular checkups. He's thinking long-term now.
taxes become a real thing to manage. Mortgage interest, retirement contributions, property tax. Adulting at this level requires a spreadsheet. He can shop without panic. Not luxury shopping, but he doesn't have to check every price tag or put things back on the shelf. For the first time, he sits down on a Sunday afternoon with a book and a cup of tea and just rests. No money anxiety, just calm.
At $100,000 to $250,000 a year, upper middle class, our guy has arrived somewhere most Americans only dream about. He's got a corner office or works from a home office that looks like one. He sets his own schedule. His opinion matters in rooms. The house is bigger now. A real neighborhood, good schools nearby, a garage that actually has a car in it. Dinner out isn't a special occasion. It's just Tuesday. He orders the wine without looking at the price. That's a new feeling. Multiple trips a year. Business class seats, hotels with real pillows. Travel is no longer a luxury. It's a habit.
He now meets with a financial advisor regularly. Stocks, index funds, real estate. Money is working for him now. He invests carefully and watches his portfolio grow. Slowly, steadily, like watering a plant. He's building generational wealth. Family dinners feel different at this level. Not rushed or stressed, just warm, full, and present. Kids ask for things, and the answer is yes more often. He leads teams. He gives presentations. Other people look at him the way he once looked at his own bosses. But the work is still intense. 2 screens, long hours, high stakes. The money is great, but it comes at a price called time. And then there's the top, $250,000 and beyond. He's made it to the mountain, but it looks different up here than he expected. Comfort is no longer something he has to earn. It's just there. Luxury is not a splurge, it's a baseline. But surprisingly, money isn't the goal anymore. He's writing down something bigger. Impact, legacy, purpose. The goals have changed. Looking back at that chart, every single level taught him something about discipline, about sacrifice, about what actually matters. Whatever pay level you're at right now, your story isn't finished. The next chapter is yours to write. So start climbing. We're rooting for you.